As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the fish tank. I am Cole, and happy Halloween! It's another year for spookiness, candy, and lots of scares. Anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Cole, as I just said, and we are doing our Halloween build giveaway truck for 2025. And this year, I decided I wanted to build you guys an awesome Halloween themed pickup truck. So today we're going to break this down and we're going to build it into a hot rod monster mashing machine. So as you guys see here, I drilled the car out as we normally do. It was a pretty simplistic car. It only had glass, the round table for the animals that it used to have, a interior. I don't remember if it has an interior or not. If I don't think it does, and a base. It is a metal base. Like I said, this one is from Matchbox, and what we're going to do today is a color change, add decals, do details, and give it new wheels and put it all back together. We're also going to paint the base to give it a nice, darkened, modern-looking look. So before any of that starts, we have to start with Chum Bucket, and we're going to throw our car in, give her a good shake, and let her sit so that paint can strip right off. Alright. Now, since the car is stripped, we're going to take our metal wheel off and we're going to add our wire brush and we're going to clean this car thoroughly. So we're going to take our time and clean this car. This casting really wasn't bad. A lot of these older castings, I noticed they were really in good condition. Like a lot of these newer ones, everyone knows there's a lot of pitting. It's not the greatest, but these old ones, I'm not going to say perfect, but they're damn near perfect. Alright guys, so a lot of you are probably wondering how this competition works. Well, earlier in the week, I gave you guys a reminder on my comment section. Well, not comment section, but like the community section on YouTube. And I put out a message that all you have to do is sit down and enjoy the video tonight, October 31st, 2025. And all you have to, and then the second thing you have to do is comment Halloween. And you're in. So the goal is you guys have until now, till November 5th, when the Custom Trucks video comes out for the Dibs boys. And all you have to do, like I said, is we're going to have until now, until the 5th. And then after the Dibs video, we're going to connect the drawing video, and then we're going to pick a winner then. So last reminder, all you have to do is comment Halloween to enter to win. So if you guys are interested in winning this truck, feel free to comment down Halloween in the comments. Alright, back to our little pickup truck here. So what we're doing here is trying to figure out what kind of wheels we're going to use to make this truck look awesome. And I think I got a good set here. I got them off of a Johnny Lightning casting, and I thought they would work perfectly. There was no real, like, how do I put this? Goal to this truck. I wanted to customize this truck for a while, so it kind of was one of those builds that just happened, if that makes sense. There was really no thought behind it. Like a lot of you might have probably saw some pictures on social media, like Instagram, that this truck was white for a while. I was going to use this truck for a Halloween-themed Dibs build, but I decided to go a different route. And I am glad that I did because I was able to give you guys this opportunity to win this truck.
Meanwhile, back in the fish tank.
So this truck was built in probably a 4-week span. I know that seems like a long time to build one of these little castings, but I took a day off. Okay, that's a lie. I took like a week, 2 weeks off, then went on vacation, and then got back to the truck. So as you guys see here, the truck is repainted. Like I mentioned earlier, it was white, but I didn't like it, so we stripped it. We painted it dark purple, adding some of these awesome decals from SoMo Diecast, and it's really starting to come together. Like I said, there was a big gap in the production of this truck So a lot of stuff is either non-existent or yeah, just non-existent. Alright guys, as you saw here, we're going to move on to some details. And what I decided to do was grab some of my tester's red to fill in those taillights. I didn't think anything needed to happen that was too special for the taillights. I just wanted to give it enough to make it pop. I also did detail the front and rear bumper of our casting to really help it pop. I didn't think the painted bumper would look that great on this casting, and just looking at it over and over again, that was the truth. So after we got done with that, we're going to move on to our front end. As you guys see here, our front end was chromed out. The base itself is a dark brown / black, so it really looks nice and it really pops in person. And what I wanted to do was go with a retro look and stick with that old school mentality. And we're going to slap on some yellow lens covers and make this thing really scream 70s. Alright guys, after that, we're going to go see what we started with. If you guys remember, this is what we started with. This is our Matchbox F100 Ford. And today, we turned it into a pretty cool looking hot rod for Halloween this year. Alright guys, enough waiting. Let's go see what we finished with. And here is our final results for the 2025 Halloween pickup truck giveaway. So this is it, guys. This is what you guys are entering to win. It's a Matchbox F100 Ford. We fully customized it, as you guys probably remember seeing it just before. It was pretty wrecked up. So what we did here today, guys, is we gave it a complete paint job. We gave it brand new wheels. We detailed it out, and we gave it some ghost flames on the hood. I know that the rotation here isn't the best that I've ever done, but it's what I had available at the time creating this video. But I do want to say, guys, if you guys are interested, I will remind you one more time. All you have to do is enjoy this whole video and comment down below Halloween to be entered. So guys, this is, again, what you are entering to get and win. I had a lot of fun doing this build. It was an awesome build. I just wanted to make like an old man's hot rod kind of truck, but give it kind of like a Halloween flair. So that's what the paint's for. The glass kind of made it really work, and the ghost flames on the hood. So there is going to be some pictures at the end, guys, of the build. I appreciate all you guys for stopping by, as always. Thank you for all the likes, the views, and the support. It's awesome, and I am trying to do more and more for you guys. I feel really bad for not getting videos out, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Happy Halloween.